Hey everybody, this is Donnie from AdX Clubs, and today I'm going to show you a little tip you can do for two-handed and one-handed strikes. I'm going to show you what I see a lot of people doing lately. When they do perform their strikes, which is a motion, drawing the elbow downward. It's all in the elbow. So remember that, first of all, you're drawing downward with the elbow. Keep the elbow pointing forward, don't flare it out to the side. As it gets heavier, you are going to flare a little bit, but make sure you try to keep it as forward as possible. But what I see is people's lower back, their lumbar section, hollowing out. Right back here, I'll show you. So when they're reaching back like this, the butt comes back and the shoulders come back and they get a hollow right in this spot here. To keep that from happening, when you're standing and getting ready to do your strikes, pull down a little bit like you're doing a crunch. Pack your shoulders down, keep that tension on your abs, and when you reach out, I'm going to pull my shirt tight. When you reach backwards, notice how I don't hollow so much right there. Remember to keep the emphasis on pulling down with the elbow using your lats. Anyway, use that. I hope that helps you out. See you guys on the platform.